Welcome to the Woodworker Express Door Configurator Help Guide. In this video, I will be walking you through the hinge drilling section of our configurator and hopefully answering any questions that you may have along the way. Doors will be drilled along the length of the door, 3 inches from the top and bottom to the center of the hinge hole. Now you will have 3 hinge drilling options during this part of the configurator. The first hinge drilling option would be not needed. Some of the most common reasons that you would not need hinge drilling, let's say this door is going to be in front of a garbage can pullout that's inside your cabinet. Most of these new trash designs do not require hinge holes as they are screwed directly to the garbage door. Another good reason is that you want to order this door to be an actual side panel of a cabinet. You will not need hinge cup holes to be drilled into the door because you're going to be using this door as a panel. Now you can do this on the sides of your cabinets, any place that's exposed, such as an island. You could do your sides and then your front or back of the island. The possibilities are endless. And finally, you may not need a hinge hole drilled because you want to do it yourself. Save some money. All you need is a 35mm Forstner bit and you're ready to rock and roll. The second option is for a 35mm cup hole only. What exactly does that mean? Let me show you. Do you see this hole right here? This is a 35mm cup hole. So if you pick 35mm cup hole only, this would be perfect for screw-on hinges, or if you're not sure what your boring pattern is. So if you were reusing your existing cabinet hinges and they had dowels originally, this will be the perfect option for you because you will not be able to safely remove those plastic dowels without breaking them. But not to worry, because you will be able to use your existing dowel hinges with some normal 5/8 inch hinge screws. Now the final option is going to be more for your professional cabinet maker. Now the 45 and 42mm boring pattern are the measurements as you see from here at this screw to this screw. So depending on the type of hinge you have and the company that makes them, you may have a 42mm boring pattern or you may have a 45mm distance for your boring pattern. Just remember that if you choose this option, either the 42 or 45mm boring patterns, you will need hinges that are dowel inserted. And this generally requires a machine or some sort of device that will help press these into the door. Also note that automatically the configurator will decide how many hinges that you will need per door size. If you require something other than the standard door drilling number of hinge holes as per our chart, please indicate this in our custom notes section. Now be sure to check out our next video in this series, which will provide you all the details to measure your tab distance. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section. We are more than happy to help. Otherwise, we'll see you next video.